Hi guys, so the question is another divisibility problem. In this, what we have, Alice and Bob are playing a game which Alice has given Bob a positive integer which is less than which integer x is less than 10 to the power 8. To win the game, Bob has to find another positive integer y less than 10 to the power 9 such that x is not equal to y but it is divisible by x plus y. Okay. Here x not equal to y denotes the integer formed by concatenating. Okay, we are concatenating these two integers like x is 835 and y is 47. Then we will concatenate, add them like this, and then we will divide their sum, okay, with this number. However, since Bob is dumb, he is unable to find an integer. Please help him. It can be shown that such integer always exists. Okay, so what we have to do, like we have given a number a like 8. Okay, as you can see, the first cascade x is 8. Okay, we can choose y is equal to 1. The y and x are not they are not same integer. We concatenate them, and after concatenating we will divide them by 9. Okay, so it is divisible by 9. Okay, so the y is what? Y is 1. Okay, we have to output like that. Okay, so let me show you. The code is damn simple, like int t number of test cases, then while t int n, then cout to cross n. It will take its time complexity will be around big of 1. Okay, very less. So it's taking some time to compile. Yeah, it's compiled successfully. Let's see. Yeah, so the answer is correct. 16 is what I can say. It's not equal to 18, but if we concatenate and divide 816 by 16, it will be divisible. Okay, so it's correct. We can also submit it also. It don't have to be same, as you can see, 1 it could be different. Let's submit it. Okay, just a second. Now submit. Yeah, it's accepted. So yeah guys, that's it. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely reply it. Thank you for watching.